Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. Now right here this is the app informations page. Click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable the camera permission. Go back, click on data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled, especially the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Go back and then click on the storage. Click on clear cache to clear all the cache right here in the app. And then what you want to do next is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode. After 3 seconds, disable it again back. That's it. Now restart your phone, reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.